Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Sunday, March 19th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video and go over some accomplishments, some new milestones that LiveGood has reached over the last 3 months, okay? So you can see here, we launched globally on December 13th, 2022. We now have over 120,000 global members. All right, that is unheard of in the network marketing industry. All right, there's no company who has ever grown this quickly. Then this past week alone, we have had over 4,000 new bronze members rank up. All right, so to become a bronze, you need 2 personally enrolled members. We've had 416 new silver members, 89 new gold members, 40 new platinum members, and 6 new diamond members. Okay, so this, people are ranking up all over. Some of these people have never made a single penny online before, and they're just having great success with this company. Folks, there's no other company on the planet where you can get started for $49.95 and have a business opportunity like this. All right, this company has the potential to literally change your life. Now, there is an earnings disclaimer down in the video description because not everybody puts in the work, so your results are going to be based on your work ethic. But if you stay consistent and if you give this everything you have, then this has the chance to change your life. All right, we're seeing it every single day in this company. There's new people ranking up. There's people getting checks that are bigger than their checks they get at their regular 9-to-5 jobs. It's just crazy the growth this company is having. And not only that, folks, the products are top notch. Okay, I've been using these products every single day since December 28th of 2022. I love them. I just got done finishing my liquid aminos, and I love the product. So there's no other business like this on the planet. There's talks about this being the Amazon of network marketing. Okay, Amazon got started back in the 90s selling used books out of a garage. We're starting this company with just the health and wellness products, but there's going to be more products added down the road. So we have over 120,000 members now. We're predicted to have over 1 million by the end of this year. And some of the big companies that have been around for decades, some of them don't even have this many members. So now's the time to get into this. You can pay a one-time $40 affiliate fee. That's going to put you into our 2x15 forced matrix. And then it's $9.95 a month. So your initial payment is $49.95 to get started, and then only $9.95 to keep your membership activated. All right, you're going to get wholesale prices on all these awesome products. You're going to get put into our matrix where you make money from everyone in your matrix that falls below you. Okay, and then we have matching bonuses. We have influencer bonuses. We have all kinds of ways. 6 ways to make money with this company. So this is the time to get in now, folks. I got in, I don't even think there was 1,000 people in this when I joined. There's over 120,000 people in this now, and it's just going to continue to grow. So the sooner you get in and lock your spot into the matrix, the better off you're going to be. We also have a 1-year membership plan where you can save $20 and pay just $99.95, okay? So if you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll be glad to get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to learn more about this or sign up today, click the link down there. It's going to take you over to my tour page where we have a 5-minute and 55-second video that you can watch that explains everything in greater detail. Then you just simply enter your first and last name and a valid email address, and you can take a look inside your back office. And then if it's something that you want to join, you can join right from that page, okay? So anyway, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you find any value in my video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.